Hey everyone, welcome you all to a new video. So I'm back with a new Maa Durga drawing. So in my previous two videos, I drew her using watercolors. So link will be in the description. You can check out from there. And today I'm going to draw her portrait using pastel colors. And I shall try to give a little tutorial. So I hope it will help you. So let's start. So at first obviously we need a rough sketching, and you can easily find the reference picture on Google. So now it's time to color it, and suddenly I thought that can I combine brush pens and pastels? So let's see by doing it practically. At first some yellow and now some orange. Time to blend, and yes, this is working, so I can do this. So now let's start to color this. So as my idea is working, that's why as the base color I used yellow brush pen. And if you don't have brush pens, then don't worry, you can also use watercolors because brush pens and watercolors are much similar. Just in case of watercolors, you have to add a light shade. So now it's time for pastel colors, and I'm starting with orange, and later I shall blend the orange with yellow. So I am applying the darker shades first because it's easy to blend the dark shades with the light ones. So this is lemon yellow, and I'm using this for lighter shades, and as I used brush pens as the base, it became easy to apply the light shades with pastels. So I have done up to this, the face of Maa Durga, and till now I used these four colors: chrome yellow, lemon yellow, light yellow and orange. So now I shall start doing the sari and the background. So let's start. So I started doing the sari with scarlet red, orange and some other dark shades of red. I left highlights on the edges to blend some light colors there. So this is grey, and I am using this in the sari. The sari is actually a combination of white and red, and I am using grey to show the shadows, or you can say the darker shade. So my white color is finished, and that's why I used glass markers. Now I am adding some more dark shades. So now it's time to do the background, and my plan is to make the background dark, and I started with violet because I wanted to give a violet glow on the edges. So guys, now it is 1:30 AM and I have done the work up to this. The face, the sari and half of the background. Oh, I suddenly remembered a fact that my drawing teacher told me. So the fact is about black color. So black color is a color that can give your painting a new glow, like this one. And black is also a color that can mess up your whole drawing, and I can relate with this because I abandoned many of my drawings because of the spread of black color or overuse of black color. So anyways, now this is the most important part of this drawing, the eyes of Maa Durga. So let's start. At first the lips, then I shall start the eyes. So in case of eyes, I can only say keep yourself cool and don't be afraid to draw them. So the eyes are completed except the eyeballs, and now I can do the leftover background. Time to clean the edges. So here is my final work. So now let me give you a summary of this drawing. So at first I made a rough sketch, obviously it's necessary. Then as the base coloring I used brush pens. And if you don't have brush pens, then don't worry, you can also use watercolors. And then I started to color it with pastel colors. So at first I applied all the dark shades, then I used the lighter shades to blend the dark ones, and I made the whole background dark because I wanted to give a feel that the face is coming out from darkness. So you saw that I used violet color in the background because I wanted to give a little glow of violet like this, and it came out as I thought. And for other detailings I used glass markers. So I hope you guys like this drawing. If you like, then make sure to like and also subscribe my channel. I will be back with any other drawing or craft. Till then, bye bye.